Today we delve into the BMW Group's largest vehicle plant in Europe at Dingolfing, where the new generation BMW 5 Series, including the all-new fully electric BMW i5, marks its production debut. From the raw materials to the final polish, join us as we uncover the marvel of modern manufacturing. All this and more on how it's manufactured. At the body shop, over 1,000 employees work to produce nearly 1,000 car bodies each day. Each zinc sheet body weighs about 974 pounds, designed to enhance safety while minimizing weight. Automation is key in the body shop, where over 800 industrial robots execute complex tasks. These robots accurately place more than 6,000 welding points per vehicle, each to 1/100th of an inch, ensuring precision and strength. The body shop utilizes several techniques, including spot welding, soldering, bolting, adhesive bonding, and laser welding. These methods help construct car bodies that are robust and designed to meet rigorous safety standards. Quality assurance is crucial, with the team using advanced ultrasound, camera, and laser technologies to inspect each weld. Traditional testing methods still play a role, ensuring every car body meets BMW's exacting standards. The team is also tasked with the maintenance and repair of the machinery, which is essential for continuous and flexible production. This allows the shop to adapt to different vehicle types manufactured on the same line. In the paint shop, the body in white is transformed into a colorful and shiny final product, while also being safeguarded against corrosion and sealed for a perfect surface. BMW offers a palette of over 300 series and special colors, allowing customers ample personalization options. Upon entering the paint shop, the car bodies are first cleaned in dip tanks, then degreased, and finally coated with a zinc phosphate layer. This coating provides a robust base for lasting corrosion protection. Four additional layers of paint are applied, fortifying the car against external damage and endowing it with enduring color and gloss. The Dingolfing paint shop is renowned for its environmental efficiency, having achieved significant reductions in wastewater and solvent use over the years. An integral part of this process involves the ISRA Vision car position measurement system, recognized as the industry standard. This system is straightforward to set up and performs reliably, offering precise 3D recognition of the car body's position and orientation. In the assembly area, over 6,000 workers meticulously equip the painted car bodies with components selected by customers. The complete vehicle is likened to a three-dimensional puzzle consisting of up to 20,000 parts. Daily, about 1,600 BMW cars are assembled across 2 production lines. This stage demonstrates high levels of complexity, flexibility, and efficiency, as up to 4 different model series may be assembled on the same line. Both assembly halls have the capacity to handle various model series, including those with combustion engines and plug-in hybrid drives. The plant receives parts from approximately 1,000 external and internal suppliers. These components are delivered directly to the assembly line in the precise order and timing required, just in sequence and just in time. Remarkably, customers have the flexibility to modify their orders up to 6 days before assembly commences. The assembly line is designed with high ergonomic standards to facilitate the workers' tasks. Tools such as handling devices, pivot mounts, and exoskeletons, a flexible support device for the body, are utilized to make the assembly process as ergonomic and efficient as possible for the workers. Here, a worker moves the dashboard of the vehicle into place with the aid of a robotic arm. None of the weight is placed on the worker, and they are accurately able to install this critical component in the car with ease. The car's seats are installed with the aid of hoists. Workers install the seats with bolts to the car frame and various other mounting points to ensure they are safely installed. The engine and rear axle are added to the upper frame in what is called an engine-to-frame marriage. At this point, the two halves become one, and the car now has a means of propulsion. One of the most vital devices is installed next, the steering wheel. Without this, the driver would not be able to steer. Well, not while full self-driving isn't a proven and viable option. The wheels and tires are added next. You can see that more assists are used to ensure the worker never needs to carry the weight of the wheel. Our final destination within the plant is the testing and finish area. Here, each BMW 5 Series undergoes extensive testing to ensure top-tier performance and safety. From water tests for leaks to detailed alignment and functionality checks, each vehicle is scrutinized under stringent conditions to meet BMW's high standards. This process is vital for guaranteeing the reliability and safety of each car. After successful testing, the vehicle is polished and given a final inspection. This last phase is not just about aesthetics, but ensuring that every BMW that leaves the factory is ready to deliver sheer driving pleasure to its new owner. As each BMW 5 Series rolls off the production line, it represents a culmination of advanced engineering, meticulous craftsmanship, and a passionate commitment to quality. Thank you for joining us on this detailed journey through the BMW production process at Dingolfing. Each vehicle's journey from raw materials to a luxury automobile exemplifies innovation and excellence. For more behind-the-scenes looks at how things are made, stay tuned to How It's Manufactured. Please consider hitting the subscribe button if you haven't already. Liking the video helps us grow this channel. You might be interested in this video or playlist next.